Hello everyone, and this is Unit 3, Lesson 2, and we're going with a reading lesson today. As you can see in the picture, oh sorry, in the image of the book, on this page, we're on page 36, and I'm not sure if it matches your edition, but I'm hoping so. There is a picture here, an image, and then we got two parts, so we got an A and B. The first part is a reading text, and the second part is a true-false question type part. And as you can see here, we have only three paragraphs, a very tiny one here in the middle, and two paragraphs with one title called The Early Spread of Islam. Now, let's just follow in with our notepad, but before that, let me try to zoom it out for you here. And, oh, not that much zooming because I can see it just doesn't show in the picture. I'm not so sure how we can zoom it out here again. All right. Alright, I'll read it out for you and then we're going to work on the questions. The early spread of Islam. Since the time that God's Allah's words were written down in the Holy Quran, the Islamic message of peace has spread all over the world. When the message of Islam was first taken beyond the Arabian Peninsula in peace, the enemies of Islam and their armies tried to stop its spread. As the Muslims advanced to the north, they were met by soldiers of the Roman Empire. In 634 AD, the Muslims captured Damascus from them. Soon afterwards, they took Jerusalem. They finally defeated the Romans in 636. In the east, the Muslims had to fight the Persian army. It took them only 20 years to introduce Islam there. From 715 AD, Islam began to spread into Turkey. By 717, it has reached the borders of Europe. In North Africa, the Muslims had to fight against Roman soldiers again. Again, they were successful. By 642 AD, northern Egypt was controlled by the Muslims. The last Roman army on the continent was defeated near Carthage, in 687. Soon, Arabic replaced Latin along the Mediterranean coast to the Atlantic Ocean. The countries that we call Algeria and Morocco today were occupied from 670. From there, the Muslims crossed by sea into Spain in 711. By 714, that country and Portugal were both ruled by the Muslims. In France, they advanced as far as Tours in 732. Alright, so let's just get through to the questions. That's a true-false question. And the first one goes, are the following sentences true or false? Oh, there's an instruction. Pay attention, everyone. First, find the answer in the reading passage, then write the number. Finally, write true or false. So you got two things to do. You need to split out where you found the answer, which is what you really need to do in any kind of test that you take later on as a TOEFL or as an IELTS, because you really need to split out the answers. Let's just go with number one. AH means Hijra or Islamic calendar. Well, how do you know if it's true, for example? Well, let me just try to help you here. Try to find the answer. And come on. Anything? Anyone can help? Hello. I'm trying to hear you, people. Nobody. Oh, okay. Yeah, there is no part in the text where we can get indication that this is this is where it is. So I'm not so sure, but we know the answer already, so I'm gonna get back to this point, and one is true. Now the second part is Islam was taken beyond the Arabian Peninsula in peace. Yes, it was, or it wasn't. Let's just see. Well, since there were so many armies here, as you can see in this line, when the message of Islam was first taken beyond the Arabian Peninsula in peace, the armies of Islam and their armies, the enemies of Islam and their armies tried to stop its spread. So it was first taken in peace. And yes, we can say that in line 5, and it is true. Okay, now let's go to the next one, number 3. Islam first spread to the north and to the east. Well, if we're gonna think about it, like is in north here is in line number 7, yeah, because they were fighting against the Roman Empire, and also to the east somewhere where with the Persian army, so it's in line number 11. So we're gonna say line 7 and 11, and it is true. Let's just go here with another line. Okay, number 4. Islam spread to Turkey before it spread to Egypt. And let me just try to get you here. Was it? Yeah, it did. As you can see here, it's in line 15. So line 15. And then it's true. 5. Muslims were defeated near Carthage. Yeah, it was wrong actually, because as you can see in line 20, the last Roman army on the continent was defeated. So it's not the Muslims, it's the Roman army. So you can say line number 16, or 20 actually, again. And it is false. If you're gonna try to write the connection, it's the correction, it's the Roman army, not the Muslim army. Let's go to number 6. Muslims crossed into Spain by land. Well, no, it is Muslims crossed by sea into Spain. It's line 25, and it's false. Let's get a correction here by sea. All right. Now, thank you for following on. We're going to go to lesson number 3 next time. So see you.